last time Hail to the Chief will be played before. The last time Hail to the Chief will be played before. The last time Hail to the Chief will be played before. The last time Hail to the Chief will be played before.
In a minute, 1 minute, and is there a way we can do something like that by injection inside or almost a cleaning? Because you see it gets on the lungs and it does a tremendous number of the lungs, so it'd be interesting to check that. So that you're going to have to use.
Back here tonight to ask you to deliver the White House for Joe Biden and Kamala Harris.
Polls show Biden slightly ahead in a state that had not voted for a Republican president since 1988, until President Trump won by just 44,000 votes.
I got my start working in a community just like this.
In Philadelphia today, Obama appealing to black men, a voting bloc that did not.